Here's everything you need to start coding with ChatGPT. So we're going to be using PyCharm as our IDE to run our code, and for that we'll download the Mac version. I'm using a Mac, you may be using a Windows computer. On this channel I'm not going to be doing tutorials, it's mostly just tracking the ChatGPT journey, but if any of you want to follow along, this process should be mostly the same on Mac or Windows. So you go to the OpenAI website and sign up for ChatGPT. There is a waiting list. You'll need to give them your phone number and sign in with either a Gmail account or something. So after you verify that, you'll have access, and it's free at the moment to use ChatGPT. Download PyCharm, and this should be pretty quick. You just install it. Once you open it up, you can immediately create a main.py file and start running code. Mine is already installed, so instead of installing it a second time, I'm just going to move forward with the installation I started earlier. And I haven't created any programs in it yet, so it still is going to have the initial booting process, but very quickly we're able to jump into PyCharm and instantly be able to have a place to run code. And we'll be using Python, so it will be a .py file. All we have to do is name it, and then we're ready to start getting code to copy in from ChatGPT. As the channel name suggests, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to coding, and so I don't really know what I'm doing. The point of this channel is to illustrate the capacity of ChatGPT to allow somebody like me who has no extensive coding experience to create functioning programs. ChatGPT is currently free, so I try to be patient with it. A lot of people are using it. It's incredible that they offer this service to people for free, but sometimes there's so much traffic, it's hard for them to run at a fast pace. Now you just log in. You can use a Google account, Microsoft account, however you want to log into stuff, as long as you have a phone number, and you'll eventually get approved, and you'll be in this input area, which is the main window of ChatGPT. At this point, you've got everything you need to follow along my first couple videos and try to use ChatGPT for yourself. Keep in mind, I'm a novice, so I don't really know what I'm doing. We're trusting ChatGPT to give us good formats and good syntax. We may be doing things horribly wrong, but let's see how it goes.